Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can get access to TikTok studios on your Android smartphone. To do so, first of all, just open up your TikTok, and after opening up your TikTok, you just have to go into your profile like I already am. And after you have opened your profile, you can see a down arrow button on the top right corner of your screen. If you click on the down arrow button, you can see other options pop up, and right here there is an option for TikTok Studio. Go on to TikTok Studio. Here, after clicking on TikTok Studio, it will take you to a different page for TikTok Studio. Here you can view your analytics, monetization, and even have access to more tools to help you in your creating a better video for your TikTok account. To view your insight, you just have to click on Get Started and you'll be able to get access to your TikTok Studio. And that is how easy it is to get access to your TikTok Studio from your Android smartphone. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.